What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of This Versus That. Today I got me a GoPro 9. The reason why I've been holding out on this little device here is because my GoPro 8 has been working really well. I mean, I love it to death. It broke once and I had to replace it, but that's about it. I'm still using it quite a bit. I got the media mod on there. But this thing right here has got a little front screen, and I really enjoy my Sony A7C that has the flip out screen where I can see myself when I'm talking like this. So yeah, I upgraded. So in this video we're gonna see if we can do a little comparison, 9 versus 8, see how good it is. Image quality, I heard this thing got 5K. Well, it was written on the box, so we're gonna see. All right, let's go do it. This is a test with the GoPro 9 and a GoPro 8. I have it on a little tripod right now. I can see myself because of a GoPro 9. Oops. But yeah, I wanted to do this little test to see how it would look. So let's walk around and do a little test. By the way, all the audio on here that you're gonna hear is gonna be from both. I'm gonna switch it back and forth, GoPro 8 and GoPro 9. Okay, so let's take a look. Right now, the sun is fixing to set. The light is not super bright. The GoPro 9 is gonna have 5K at 24 FPS. The GoPro 8 is gonna be at 4K at 24 FPS. It doesn't have 5K. So let's see how the image quality looks, and starting now. Okay, so besides getting bit by mosquitoes, I've turned on boost on both modes. This is the sun's facing is that way, so it's hitting me right here. And now that's against the sun. How does that look? Again, 5K 24 FPS, 4K 24 FPS on the GoPro 8. With boost modes on, it crops in a little bit, but the stabilization is actually pretty good. I'm kind of shaking my camera here, see if it does anything. It doesn't look like it. So, shake, do a little shake. Okay. This is boost mode on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run down there and see if boost mode will stay intact. Ready? Okay, so that is with boost modes on. All right, so right now 2.7K at 120 FPS. Both are in wide. Both has the image stabilization on, but I think they call it Hypersmooth. One of them is Hypersmooth 2.0. The other one, GoPro 9, is Hypersmooth 3.0. And boost is not on. So this is Hypersmooth without boost. Alright guys, so on the next test, I want to mount it on my bike. My bike right here, I want to mount it probably around right here. Alrighty, so both on 4K 60 FPS. I'm gonna ride and just hold it like this. Hopefully I don't fall. The only difference is that a GoPro 9 has a bit better chip, so you can do boost on it. So I'm gonna turn on boost on there so you guys can see the difference between that and no boost on the GoPro 8. Okay, all right, let's go.
I think that concludes our test for the GoPro 8 and GoPro 9. If you guys like this video, hit like, obviously. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so. I'm gonna do a little more playing around with the GoPro 9. Might sell off the GoPro 8. I don't know, you guys tell me. Should I sell it off? Leave a comment down below, all right? Oh. I'll see you guys in the next